Even you lose in a battle, even you are defeated, you stumble down. Get up! Fight for your right. Get up! Fight to win. Let us focus. Let us have commitment. Work harder. Make stronger to fight all the adversaries in our lives. Don't afraid to get up. Don't hesitate to get up. Don't be afraid to walk on. Because if we stumble forwardly, don't be afraid to get up. Just continue your pathways. Go ahead. Walk forward. Even you are stumble down. But I prepare to stumble down with extra forward moves. Done with extra forward backward. The Bible say from the Psalms 27:1, this is our warfare. This is the words of God that we're going to. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? Today, each and every one of us, especially to the people who belongs to the extreme poverty, get up. If I and others can do, how about you? You can do it. Just believe in the Lord. You will be get up in your situation. Poverty is not permanent. Just believe in yourself. Don't be a victim of defeat. Make your defeat, make your frustration as an inspiration. Most others says failure is a part of success, and that is true. If you failed, don't stay there. Get up, continue walking. God is guiding you. But always remember, in fighting our adversary, know yourself. Because if you know yourself, and if you know your enemy, you need not fear in the results of 100 battles. But if you know yourself, and you don't know your enemy, or you know your enemy, but you don't know yourself, you are just like a fool, that for every victory, you suffer defeat. Gentlemen, this is the life today. The coming centuries is the life and survival of the fittest. So for those belong to the extreme poverty, from the poverty line, do your best. Stand up. Fight for your life. Defeat make you stronger. Focus on your goals. Because dreams without any goals are remain dreams. Start your dreams now. Procrastination is not tolerable in the world today. For living today and the new normal, we have to work on. As we can see, hunger, diseases, crimes, corruptions, calamities, and other things happen in this world today. Only by starting from ourselves that we can protect our life. Only from starting from ourselves that if we submit to God, we have protection. The root cause of poverty is lack of love, lack of caring, because the love of money. That is the fact. We cannot deny the fact. But we can change it as long as we stand up today. Don't be a victim of defeat. Your past will not determine your future. Because today, if you're going to move on, think positive, even you are, as in my own country, today still COVID-19 is there. I encourage you, move up, pray harder, pray without ceasing, shake up all our leaders, and say, starting from our hearts, we need a strong will to make a solution to the problems of each and every people in the world today. This is what I want to share to each and every one of us. I hope this vlog encourages each and every one of us. God bless you all.